If you are confused about how to price your products on Amazon, then in this video I'm going to talk about a model that you can use as a guide for successful product launches. So I'm Shaival Chokshi, I am the co-founder of Your Seller. We are a team of Amazon experts and we help sellers grow their business on Amazon and at the same time be profitable. Now there is a huge correlation between how you are pricing your products and how well your products are able to rank higher up. And we at Wires, we use a specific pricing structure that we recommend to all of our clients to ensure that you extract the organic advantage from the very first day of your product launch. Basically, the idea is to go really aggressive at the start and provide enough value to the customer rather than pricing it at a price which is at par with competition, because it's a naked listing at the end of the day and you do not have any reviews or ratings or a proof of concept that would inspire buyers' confidence. So the idea is to incentivize the buyer for taking that risk and giving that price advantage in terms of value added benefit for the first 3 or 4 months, for the first 3 or 4 weeks of launching. So for example, if your target price is say $50 for your product, then I recommend you launch your product at say $30 say for the first week, increase it to $35 for second week, and then do it in increments of 5 or 7% each week. This will ensure that you do not lose your buy box, and at the same time, you have to understand that Amazon's algorithm does not appreciate price increases. So make sure that you abide by the 5 to 7% price increase per week rule, or else you will run the risk of losing your buy box. So a strategy like this followed over a period of 8 weeks can really build a lot of momentum into your conversion rates and place your product for a much more longer term success. Now, a lot of times sellers do resist this strategy because of the losses that you end up incurring at the start of your product launch. And they would want to price their product at a normal price, then basically discount it depending on whether they are able to get the expected results out of them or not. The problem with this strategy is it's all over the place and it is haywire, and you are not able to control the traction that your product is able to get, which will result in higher advertising spends also, and will make sure that your profitability basically goes for a toss over a longer time frame. Now, this is a much bigger loss than the loss that you incur, say, maybe in the first few weeks of your product launch, because then your tacos will be in control and you will be able to gain that organic advantage from competition because your BSR will always be at a certain level. A lot of the times we also get asked this question of how to price the products during, say, the festival season or the holidays. Now, I can't stress this enough, but I've never suggested my clients to basically go down on price during the festive season, because the customer does not see value in that. At the end of the day, if your product is good, has a 4-star rating, then whether you decrease the price or not, it is still going to sell for itself because of the humongous amount of traction and traffic that is going to come into those days. So these are the kind of things that we basically consult with our clients on. So if you want to launch your products on Amazon or need help with anything that is within the Amazon ecosystem, then do reach out to us on contact@yourseller.in and we'll be happy to onboard you as a client. I hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching. Cheers.